So this is the man Avalanche. I meet the man. What go on, sir?
Big up yourself, you know, you don't know. It's all about mechanism. You see me? Instagram, that's my angle. Avalanche JA, as in Avalanche.
Yes, my people, welcome back to another road vlog, another interesting road vlog. This time we are at Runaway Bay, heading towards Flavors Beach. So we are gonna go at Flavors and left from there to Sharkies, and from Sharkies straight back to Ocho Rios. So stick and stay and enjoy the video all the way. Thank you. Yes, guys, and remember, Runaway Bay, St. Ann, Jamaica. Yes. Beautiful sunshine. Yes, guys, so we are at Flavored Beach, Discover Bay. Runaway Bay, sorry about that. We are at Runaway Bay at Flavored Beach. Just giving you a quick view.
You better beer. Yeah. You better beer.
Beautiful like you, but I'm glad if you could
Yeah, tell that right now. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
man.
over in Jordan.
I like you first. Cause when they film and them
Yes. Yes, yes.
then I like you.
Yes, yes.
Alright. Oh, but why is this? That's nice, lady. So, how long you're here doing this business?
For about over a year.
What?
Yes, this is my husband.
Okay, and you
Yeah.
are enjoying it, right?
Yes, yes, most definitely.
Right, man, right.
Yeah.
Lovely business, you know.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
I know where you're saying.
Man, two motivated person these, you know, man. Two motivated couples. Yeah, man, I like them. They have Flavored Beach and them do them thing. So when I pass through, them have some genuine ganja and some genuine stuff as well. When you just tune in on them thing, you know. Yeah, man, respect, you know, my brethren.
Real man, heart of love, man.
Yeah, man, heart of love, you know.
Welcome.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Yes,
Welcome. Magic order. Welcome.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Bless up, man.
This guy, big jelly cup. Holy for water, meat. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The government are robbing you. I give a piece of paper and plastic and type of thing.
Yes, my people. So we're on our way out from the beach, although we never show much of the beach today. Yeah, so we're out heading toward Sharkies. So I'm going to let you see the phone number for the bar and restaurant. So you can, make a call. Even about the beach too, you can make a call. Yeah, 876-892-1195. 876-892-1195. So you can recall that number, whatever it is for, you know. Yeah, so we're heading towards Sharkies. Sharkies have a beach down there too. Yeah, so might highlight some of that beach. Thank you. So join me on the walk. Yes, so it's going to be a nice walk towards Sharkies. Yeah, man, nice walk in the sun. So the breeze is blowing, so we're getting some cooling in the mealtime. So walk with us. It's only that you might not walking in the sun, but enjoy the views around us. The view, nice view around us. Yeah, this is CLM Road, Runaway Bay, CLM. Yes, man, you hear about CLM. Sometimes a lot of accidents take place on this road, serious road. So you have to pay attention to the vehicles them at the same time. Yes, guys. So stick and stay. Mom's Villa Resorts and Plaza. Yes, Jewel Paradise Cove. Not even sure if them up and running. Yes, man, we did a staircase down there a couple of years ago. Yes, man, that staircase is on my channel, my YouTube channel. Yes, man, so when you know, search it out and you will see it. Yes, so stick and stay, we're still on the journey towards Sharkies. CLM Baptist Church. Yes, so this piece of land here look like a piece of prize land. Yes, so we can leave a mark on it. So a couple of years time we see it with a plaza or whatever them put up there. We know so we saw it before, you know. Yes, man. Nice piece of prize land on the front page.
like they're building a gas station over there. New gas station. Work on the shine. Check out all of these land. So we see more development on these land. Call these prime land. Engineer. Come on, man. I do vlogging, you know?
Alright, sir.
Yes.
Alright, so I got this one splicing up. From up here, I'm up now.
From up here?
Yeah, bring bandwidth to the internet.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah. Submit it, yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Me know you, what you saying now?
People are doing them vehicle. People are doing them vehicle. Not Ford. So that is the plaza where it parks. So we car there. Yeah. Park over that plaza here. So we have it in Jamaica, you know. Mango tree. Noni tree, man, the good old noni. Apple tree. Breadfruit tree again. East Indian. That is the noni tree. No, this is the merengue tree. Yeah, man. Full of merengue. Yes. Good old merengue tree. Man, beautiful Runaway Bay Road. We're on, yes, nice strip. Yes guys, so here says Sharkies. Sharkies seafood restaurant. Fisherman boat. One, two, three. this is the man, Avalanche. I meet the man. What go on, sir?
Big up yourself, you know, you don't know. It's all about mechanism, you see me? So the mechanic attack to it. So
Yeah.
Avalanche represent, you see me?
Wow.
One love, brother, you know, we go with the Sharkies, well-known destination, Center Jamaica.
Same way.
That's it.
So where man they from how long you know, man?
You know, say what day me go around Europe, so specifically, me touch down in the UK, London, and all them places. Coventry, me do it Birmingham very well, you know.
Okay.
So, you know, it was an assignment by my record company, because right now, I well touch up with Sony UK, Sony Music. So, you know, it go overlook.
Then we have to go check out that then, man.
Yeah, check it out, man.
So where we can find you upon, brother?
Alright, Instagram, that's my angle. Avalanche JA, as in Avalanche Jamaica. That's the Instagram angle. You know, Facebook right across the board. YouTube angle as well. Avalanche JA. And the latest and the newest release is called The Way. It's an EP.
Yeah.
But just release it up in England there.
Okay.
Afrobeat influence with the reggae music. So
Yeah.
check it out. They on the social network, them all store. Amazon, Spotify,
What?
everybody.
Okay, boss.
Yeah.
And guess what now, man? We are here about Avalanche long time, you know. We don't know it's like you, brother.
Me, man.
Please we meet you.
Thanks.
Oh,
Good
man.
Oh. I'm standing on a mountain, looking on the fountain, Marley spring water, what I'm drinking, what you thinking? We got these links. Rise up this morning, I give thanks to life. You'll King Selassie, yeah, Jesus Christ. Sometimes things rough, sometimes things nice. Living at the ghetto, you have to pay the price. Down in Jamaica, it's a great paradise. Put a stick up blue wall, tourists entice. To the government, me have this one advice. Build back Jamaica, make everything nice. Standing on a mountain, yeah, you got the
One and only Avalanche member, Sharkies with them.
Mountain, it's dead, global.
Yeah, we're gonna check it out.
Yeah, love for my fans from all around the world. And I don't know, and I just keep on streaming. Thank you for the strength, I don't know. And that I bring me. Without you, I'm nothing, my people say I don't know. Give thanks to the glory. Enough love.
Blessing Avalanche. And you will stream him out and check him out, check out him pages on Instagram, YouTube, Pacify,
Yeah, man,
and where next one?
right across
Amazon
the board.
right across the board. Just check out the social media. What about TikTok?
Yeah, man, TikTok, right?
Right, you don't know? Avalanche JA. Where?
You don't know?
Yes, sir.
Music is life, and you don't know a message, so you don't know.
Same
That's how
so.
we connect to the world globally. Universal love to my family, them fans, everyone. No love.
Blessed. Alright, sir. Bless up.
Yes, guys, so that was Avalanche, a music artist, you know. Yeah, man, one and only Avalanche. So you can check him out on the social media all across the board. Yes, man.
Some old boats, you know? Yeah. Check out these boats. My son no cover up on all these things.